Ebra ne bari Yesu.
Dilebu
She
wusu nyame bia dinachi
emfam kasa
emfam nyame ni wonyam no ndoba Yesu ni mayafo.
What do you mean by that?
Sawo bro spirit awonu ni nam a yetu yebu yenya nkopɔ ye ni nam.
Yesu no twabi. Awurade. Me say Yesu no bro.
Wo kwasia papa. Wo kwasia.
And I'll bring you the gospel according to Mary Magdalene. Bet you say Yesu ware Mary Magdalene. Nene woyi. Ne ba penye friend Sarah.
Enam saw cancer some winti. Be saw Yakopo to me to me wo. When I may. Among none yarifo ni dream to me. And tam what Jesus Christ Nazareth him. Saw Jami some yari yo. So come to some sa. Now do Jami to me a sorry be as well. A cat to me by years with you and Jami to me start for no. To me said Jami or so for no chance to me to me tomato. Woni yare boni nkwasa afọ ni nyina so agye de wo pagya gwade Yakobɔ di nukrem me sawo ja me hira de masafo ni nyina so wo wasoko asɔre bi asɔre na wo kɔ no wasɔfo ni kasete onyame ba Yesu o kasete the Holy Spirit na wo da so to onyame no me aka ho wo da so to aya bosom die. Don't go there again. Don't go there and found every swabie. I saw the day be a move can some teacher ready escrito. A good and was in Jan Majafano. And you are Yamita, I am born some day. I saw that so. I am telling you, what will be a economy? And but to one was say about Simon.
Yes, you are any to me.